Good morning, students. I hope you all are doing fine. So I see that you've done some brushing up on adding and subtracting polynomials. This lesson now is on multiplying polynomials. So this is part one where we'll see how a binomial is multiplied with another binomial. Binomial, as you recall, is um, is a polynomial with two terms. Okay, so the example we are taking up here, 5x plus 2 is a binomial and we are multiplying it with another binomial which is x square minus 3x. So each one of them has two terms. So the box we create for multiplying these two polynomials are two rows and two columns. So the number of terms of the first polynomial, you can decide the number of rows, and number of terms of the second polynomial can decide the number of columns, or you can just switch it. In the part two, we will take up other kind of polynomials. So you'll see how number of rows and columns changes according to how many terms are there in the polynomials that we are multiplying. Okay, so let's take up this example. You have done these kind of questions before. So all we have to do now is term by term, we keep on filling these four squares. So 5x times x square, 5, you multiply the coefficient with the coefficient 5 times 1 because x square has a coefficient 1 if there's no coefficient present there. So that becomes a 5. And then remember our exponent rules, x times x squared. So though no power is shown, the power is 1. So you add the powers. So 1 plus 2 becomes a 3. So in other words, if you want to put it like that, x and 2x's make 3x's, which is an x cube, right? So similarly, when you multiply 5x with negative 3x, multiplying the coefficients alone will give you 5 times negative 3 equals negative 15, and x times x becomes an x square. So in the third square here, you'll have 2 as a coefficient, and x square you copy it down, and in the fourth square of the box here, you'll get 2 times negative 3, which is a negative 6, and x you copy. Now that you have all the terms that you require, you just copy them down and then see whether you have any like terms present. So 5x cube, it doesn't have any other x cube present in these four terms. So we just copy it down. Then you have a negative 15x square and there's another x square present, which is a 2x square. So we combine these two like terms and we get a negative 13x square. Then we have a negative 6x, which doesn't have any other like term. So we just copy it down and voila, this is our answer. 5x square minus 13x square minus 6x. Now guys, your turn. Multiply 2x square minus 5, which is a binomial because this polynomial has two terms, with another binomial x square plus 4. You may use a FOIL method or the box method like we've just taken an example. And after you get all the terms, try to combine like terms if there are any. And if you get this answer, you are on the right track and you're ready for the video 2 for multiplication. Thank you.